This video showcases two mechanical sirens, a MARS SL60 Siren Light, which is from the mid to late 1950s. It's the 6-volt model, and it has a flashing front-facing red light, as well as the mechanical siren. They offered these in a couple different varieties, and eventually they offered one with a MARS 888 style or oscillating style light in the front. This one came to me in rather rough condition. I've cleaned it up to be passable. It's not fully restored, but it is significantly better. The serial number and style put it, like I said, to the mid-late 1950s, maybe even into the 1960s. It's a bit of a lower tone siren, but it does spool down for a decent amount of time without having an actual siren clutch in it. There's a few little dings in it, but I have rewired it with period appropriate style wire. The lamp actually on a separate wire from the siren, and you'll notice in the video that the flashing lamp actually causes the siren to waver a little bit, but that's because of my power supply. The second one is a Sireno early model siren. The patent is 1908. It's actually such an early style that mine doesn't have a model number on it. It's also missing the cone, which is unfortunate because they were pretty iconic looking. But the 1908 patent shows this siren. It was Sireno's first style. This one is also 6-volt. Like I said, it's early enough that it doesn't show the actual model number. I don't think it appears to be a serial number. Also not the sort of thing that's normal for the collection, so it is also for sale. Contact me in the comments or the email address at the end of the video if you'd be interested in purchasing either of these. The Sireno is in obviously a little bit worse shape, but it's also probably about 40 years older. Both of these are going to be run separately and then together, so enjoy the siren playing video. I'm not going to talk over it. Have a great day.